Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Conor Cody wey be Wolves captain don come outside when they complain again say Arsenal celebration dey too much. See why they go to celebrate like that. They interview the guy from BT Sports. But back on the talk say, "Shey you see the way they celebrate? Say our celebration is too high." I mean, I don't forget say in teammate wey they call Ruben Neves. Now first come outside when they complain say Arsenal celebration dey too much. Now their captain wey they call Conor Cody don come. They reiterate the same thing wey Neves they talk. So back on talk say okay, no yawana. Say now our choice more to celebrate. Say them now they prepare to come for Emirates for the future match, and they go make sure say they set things right. And so in talk, say they're going to set things right there. I mean, I'm not forget say these people beat us home and away last season. So they plan again. I think they can avenge their loss where they lose for their own home. So well, I just want to let them know say if they think say that way they lose 1-0, it's too much. You never see anything. By the time they come Emirates with our 12th man, they go there behind us everywhere. They go hear Arsenal, and the noise they go hear everywhere. They go two collects for that one. Don't be saying because we use red card. Now when they give us wave and wave after attack, just the attack us. Come be like say that's all football be. Then I wait until now come Emirates and I go see say Kaki no be leather. At the same time, I don't get one dilemma now of who in go start. She make it start Pepe, I be making start. So now waiting Baba the reason now. So I say make I bring this thing come to an attention. If now you be Arteta, who you go put? Say you go put Pepe, I be go put Martinelli, and I will go put Emil Smith-Rowe. And don't forget say Emil Smith-Rowe now our highest goal scorer with 9 goals in all competition, 8 in the league, 1 in the cup. You get. And Baba they do for Benjamin. So Shemo could put him for that left flank, make him replace Martinelli, so that if then they play, then maybe Pepe if he come in for second half, can't change Emil Smith-Rowe, or maybe Pepe starts. Then if Odegaard don't tire, if he can't put Emil Smith-Rowe or Odegaard position, if now you are Arteta, how you go rejig all this puzzle? How you go to set up your team? So let me know for the comment section. At the same time, I just say make I let you know say our GFL TV community for YouTube don't enter 3,000 community members. So we could thank everybody when they contribute to our progress to make this community to they grow big. Because the bigger we get, the more YouTube going to give us more reach, make our footage they go far. So for everybody don't subscribe to our community, we thank you so much. For those who they yet to subscribe but are watching the show and enjoying it, we thank you also. But say make una subscribe. And one of the benefits of subscription, say if you subscribe, you will see that bell icon and you go click on so that whenever we go live, you will receive notification, and whenever we post a new video, you will receive notification so that you will know when to come and watch it. No, because some people go say, "Statues, I know they know when you go like, you go take no now when you never subscribe." You get subscription is free. We know they collect money for this side, so make una subscribe. No, our community they grow wide. Many pundits alike and fans don't come as I come to talk say this Martinelli absence it don't be a blessing in disguise for Emil Smith-Rowe and Kylian. And the reason why they call it give is say they can talk say ever since when Martinelli don't call be that left flank for Arsenal, so they can't notice say Tierney know the bomb again. You know, so if now before Tierney, all road lead to Tierney will do run, go that left flank, the cross, grounder or up, the cross. But ever since Martinelli don't did there, Martinelli can do the direct runs. Martinelli can do the square play get or cutting and wipe shot. So now we say Martinelli no day. If them put Emil Smith-Rowe for that place, they're going to say Emil Smith-Rowe and Tierney, they get good partnership. Their bond, they very good compared to Tierney and Martinelli. So if Emil Smith-Rowe did there, Baba no sabi all those kind of direct run to run go front. Instead, they like to cut in. If he just cut in go like this, Tierney go come move front. So he go come get option to confuse the defender. Either he give Tierney through ball or he go right like this, give pass maybe Lacazette or give Odegaard, maybe Odegaard give Saka. Different dynamics of the game. So they talk say he go bring in Tierney game come front now, because Tierney go flourish again, he go shine in the absence of Martinelli. I don't know whether I don't subscribe to that line of thoughts, whether I don't even notice that they talk say Tierney they really shine since when Martinelli start to shine, because two of them partnership no really key. Sure, I don't notice that. At the same time, our legend wey dem dey call Paul Merson don come outside come dey complain say Vlahovic took the easy way out. So instead of Vlahovic to come join Arsenal to improve an Arsenal team wey go make am one of the greatest players, wey be say all attack, all the focal points, everything go lead to Vlahovic. Instead, he can choose for a team wey dey great before, wey don sha, wey be say dem dey 4th and 5th now. To win the league sef, e don hard for them. And that is Juventus. Na wetin Baba dey talk, say Vlahovic go join them. And don't forget, they already have big stars, all those kind Federico Chiesa, Morata, Cuadrado, many players wey dey there. You get Bernardeschi. There are plenty of other players. So you can go say make him go join them because they be Italian contingent, even though he be Serbian. Well, all this one are good readers of bad rubbish. We no dey complain on people be say no dey our books again. Leave am make enjoy in life and make we face our own members. Martin Keown sef wey be one of our legends sef don come outside come dey complain say Arsenal lack of scoring goals fit affect them in the chase for this top 4. Say as Arsenal no dey score goals, say they see am as a big problem. It's a big problem because you can't enter top 4 without scoring goals. It no make sense, because we are depending on Lacazette and we are depending on Eddie Nketiah, and these two people never score up to 4 goals for this season. So that is why we have a big problem. And say Ferdinand sef talk this thing yesterday when they talk say see Arsenal ending in the top 4 because they don't score enough goals. A lot of people castigate and a lot of people saying hate Arsenal and Manchester United legend, this and that. See, but there is an atom of truth in what he said. And look for wetin our key on the talk now. There's one atom of truth. We say we need to score goals. See what you do Manchester United yesterday now. We didn't draw against Southampton. They play 1-1. If they say they know they for score 2 goals, they missed a lot of chances. Ronaldo missed empty net. We go wide shot, he play small. I watched the match 90 minutes. Because I want me them lose or make them draw. So you need to score goals. If they lead person 1-0, it's not enough. It's not enough. Your opposition can get penalty, if you get free kick, if you get corner, anything if happen, free header, anything if happen before you know that 1-1 So you need to score more goals, and we need to do this ASAP. If not for training, since like I said, don't talk saying when they train out of the wide shots now, or may do the training because the 16 games will remain. We need to the boss next week in week out. Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White don't they get a lot of accolades, a lot of praises from pundits and fans and legends alike. And you know they talk, they say ever since these two people started to partner themselves. If you watch Arsenal backline, you will see they know they shipping goals anyhow. All those kind of errors when they happen before in the past, they happen again like that again. So when you checking Gabriel Magalhaes, check Ben White, you can check Aaron Ramsdale, check Kylian Tierney or Tavares, check Tomiyasu. When all these people they play for that backline, they get one kind of confidence, one mad confidence, a goal no go enter. Even Ramsdale self came out not too long ago. About the talk say anytime we all of them they for that defense, so they defend, say they did very good. Say all of them they love the art of defending. If it is if they keep one save, everybody will do high five. Yeah, what's up? Nice one. Because it is very good, and we will be Arsenal fans. We are happy. Say we don't solve our defensive problem. The leaking goals, the chipping goals anyhow. Our midfield self still makes sense more. At least they create chances. Now our striking force, now there be the shit packing nature, now there be the shit packers. So if we solve that problem at the end of the summer for the transfer window, our next season, even if we go Champions League, and we even be proud, so we no go come up for group stage. So it just be. I'm quite here say this Kylian Tierney, say any deal will go happen, so maybe we'll sell Kylian Tierney in the future. The Celtic go collect 15% of the fee. Nobody know about this one. Me, I just hear am. So na clause wey Arsenal sign with Celtic when they collect Tierney from their hand. So even if we sell him, give him married, which means even if we want to sell this guy, though I don't want me to sell him now, maybe after a peak, they want to sell him for a big fee, then Celtic will take 15%. Anyway, it's not a bad bargain, sha. Mbappe don't score yesterday, I think against Rennes. So Baba can celebrate like our Henry. Baba can cross leg, can hold the flag pole, can celebrate, can say, can they greet our legend, sha. So a nice one. Don't say Mbappe they idolize our Henry. I don't know Mbappe they idolize him. So even Yuri Tillemans, even Isaac, all of them they idolize Henry because they like the way the guy they play during the days, the way Arsenal fans make them their legends and everything. So many people can talk say, okay, you will be Mbappe. We say they idolize our Henry, our Igwe. So why not Kukuma come join us now at the end of the season? Maybe you will be free agent so that I go come. They continue from where it stopped now. Just imagine say maybe Mbappe can join us now. I don't feel say we will boss net like we will knock anybody, like we did very strong. If Mbappe can join us, he go attract some kind of senior men to come follow in footsteps. Mbappe did deal, make I go join. I don't think I go that angle. At the same time, 442 will be one of our monitoring spirits. The Lord come and upon the rank Charlie Patino as the 20th most promising teenager in world football, behind all those kind Anthony Elanga of Manchester United and Motiva and many other players again. And don't forget, say this our Charlie Patino, now former academy players, even though they don't draft them, even they train with the senior team, even play cup with the senior team, he scored for a debut where they celebrating like our last born. We can't come this second score, so everybody was very happy with him. So now we say don't talk, say he's one of the promising players that you should watch out for the future. And they're very happy, knowing fully well say our future is very bright. On my BBC, will be one of our monitoring spirit. Don't come aside. They let us know say Arsenal send scouts to go monitor Palmeiras youngster, which they call Hendrik for January. And this guy is 15 years old. The guy the boss net weller. So Arsenal they interested in this guy. See they would like to carry him. And don't forget say Edu Gaspar get ties for Brazil. And as this guy is Brazilian, so we won't collect them though. They collect Gabriel Martinelli and Gabriel Morales. So if we collect this Hendrik, and Hendrik self get agents, we'll be saying that the same agents, the same agency, now they manage Gabriel Morales, so it will be very easy since we don't do deal with them before. So I will be very happy to collect the guy. If you check the guy statistics for YouTube, the guy mad gone, 15 years old, the guy good gone. On my monitoring spiritual, they call hard tackle and fisherless. Don't come outside, they let us know say Atletico Madrid and Sevilla. They interested in collecting Lacazette at the end of the summer when he don't turn to free agent. And don't forget say Leon self dey for the mix. My own be say at the end of the summer whether they collect am or they no collect am, make this guy contract just expire and make the fine scorers. We don't need them again because if I remember what the guy they do for us, can he be a striker? I just scored only 3 goals in 17 games. How many games? And you say he be striker? Come on, he's too poor. Ordinary Smalley and Smith don't score 9 goals really, and that's too bad. Manchester United don't drop points yesterday as they play Southampton, and don't forget them play 1-1 that yesterday. So as I watched the match, I was very happy. Again, because some of my friends, they be Manchester United fan, I know they taunt them as they play, because anytime we Arsenal self they play, themselves they pray make Arsenal lose. So as things stand now, Manchester United don't they ahead of us with 1 point, and we don't get 2 outstanding matches against Manchester United. So today I expect Tottenham Hotspur to drop points because Tottenham go play Wolves, and I don't see Wolves losing because Wolves they go hard for them to lose back to back because Wolves are very strong side. Away home then good die, and they are the second best defense in the league. They don't consider I think 17 or 18 goals behind Manchester City alone. So then they very hard to cut down. She say after we win the fun they celebrate because some of them good home and away. So they expect Spurs to drop points, either they lose or then draw. If Southampton can beat Spurs for White Hart Lane, why Wolves no go fit repeat them? So that one is settled. Then at the same time, they look West Ham go play Leicester. Leicester on the shipping goals, they lose points well. So I believe say this one they go feel one say okay, more could turn up. You get maybe they go play as in they home. Maybe they will collect 1 point or collect 3 points. We never really know. So my hope is say maybe one of these two, especially that Tottenham, make Tottenham drop point because West Ham, I know they look West Ham as a rival. West Ham, I know say in the future then go come back to their place. I know they even fear West Ham. I know they even fear Manchester United. Where my attention they gone. Maybe that Tottenham Hotspur and them at the monitor. At the same time, Brentford coach who they call Frank said not come and second they complain say almost say Ivan Toney they see goals. Ivan Toney no go there available so they pray. Make it be say the physios go tell them say he will be available to face Arsenal because he's the highest goal scorer. And they hope say they go pray. He gets making for play against Arsenal. He don't lose Manchester City match. He don't lose Crystal Palace match. So they pray say at least even if you know the 100%, even if not 70%, they will manage him. Make him play against Arsenal. And myself I dey pray. Make the guy heal. Make him well. Make him play for us. I don't want you to say that because Ivan Toney no dey. That is why Arsenal beat Brentford. You get because when they beat us at the beginning of the season, they come they make mouth. They talk say even Tony gone and they talk say same thing say Arsenal a big team. Say when they dey for championship they hear Arsenal. So all of a sudden they come knock Arsenal. Say they say Arsenal say shit packer. Say no understand. Why not go beat us with the centre back pairing of Callum Chambers and Kolasinac? Let them dey for post. Now winners, now they happy. Anyway, now they come for Emirates now collection they wait for now. This is revenge time. I go pray when I collect. So I want make them complete, no excuse. So that the way we meet ahead, they go collect, everybody go humble. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lover, if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. You see the thumbnail. Click and so that I go get all Arsenal updates as they drop. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a great day, happy Sunday. Now get out.